How to reset Safari browser on iPhone. To reset the Safari browser on your iPhone, you first need to go ahead and open up the settings on your phone. From here, you need to scroll down to the very end and open apps from here. Here, you can manage all the default apps on your iPhone. Now, search for the Safari application from here. Once you find it, tap on it. Then, you'll be brought to this page where you can make changes inside the Safari app. Now, scroll down a little. Then, tap on the Clear History and Website Data option from here. Select a time frame. After that, tap on the Clear History button at the bottom of your screen. Once you have done it, the history between that given time frame will be cleared. By following these simple steps, you can easily reset the Safari browser on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.